We out here in Miami, another day of grind, another day getting it in. I want to talk to y'all about, this Airbnb automation. And a lot of y'all been in my DMs. A lot of y'all been looking into ways to create cash flow and all that stuff, man. And I'm here to tell y'all, Airbnb is the #1 way to create cash flow for yourself and for your family here in 2022. How Airbnb automation works, man. So basically, what we do is we take X amount of capital from an investor, and then from there, we find them X amount of properties. We make sure that those properties are furnished. We make sure those properties, are sellable. They look clean. There's amenities. There's all there's all these various things that come into it as well, right? And then from there, we make sure that it's managed, right? This is super, super important because you got to make sure the turnovers for your units are smooth. You got to make sure the maintenance, man, if something breaks down or, water's not working or whatever, you got to be able to call somebody to fix those sort of things. So, you don't want to be doing that yourself, and our investors don't want to be doing that themselves, at 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning, dealing with, a pipe that busted or electricity that's not working. So you need a team of individuals that can oversee, all that stuff. So with that being said, we take care of that as well. We make sure that this investment is going to make you anywhere from $1,700 to $2,000 per month. I'm gonna let y'all marinate on that for a second. $1,700 to $2,000 per month. That's per unit. So for example, if you got 5, 6, 7 units, right, you're talking about making $10,000 a month, $15,000 a month. Where else can you invest into something and you're going to be seeing those type of returns? And what makes it even sweeter, guys, a lot of these leases that we do are lasting for 3 or 4 years. So you got 3 or 4 years of consistent cash flow, 3 or 4 years of that $10,000, that $15,000 a month. And y'all, for a lot of people, that changed their whole life. For a lot of people, that will give them their freedom back. Instead of them having to hustle for their company, pay these different individuals, and then, they'll bring home a check of $20,000. They're able to sit back and do it hands-free. Because if you guys didn't notice, when it comes to running a company and a corporation, you may do a gross of $70,000, $100,000 in a month, but your paycheck may only be $15,000. Your paycheck may only be $20,000 after expenses, after paying the team, after all of these various things. So with that being said, right, this is the year that you get your freedom back. This is the year that you tap into Airbnbs, and you really start looking at things, right? Like, forget owning. There's no purpose for you to own. Right, just because the market, everybody saw the market shoot up, so people, I need to buy now. Like, that was a good time to buy. Well, in actuality, you don't know what the market is gonna do. You don't know. And what I love about Airbnb, y'all, is that Airbnb quadrupled their revenue, quadrupled their stock, right, through this pandemic. Right, really, it's been a pandemic. Y'all see what's going on? It's been a pandemic. If you ain't make no money or found out a way to hustle here through this COVID-19 and all this stuff, man, I don't think you got it in you. But anyways, man, tap into this Airbnb automation, and then I'm gonna make it even sweeter for y'all. Guess what else we doing? We're paying people $2,000 to $5,000 per referral. $2,000 to $5,000 per referral. So there's people that, like, look, they got a network, right? So they'll make a post on Instagram, hey, who's interested in Airbnb automation? Who's interested in passive cash flow? And let's say, 10 to 15 people, right, go ahead and reply back to that. They get on calls with them, they set up 3-way calls with myself or somebody on the team, right, and they close 3 or 4 deals. Right, you're talking about potential of $20,000 being made from a single post on Instagram. Who's doing that? Whose business model is paying people out that kind of money? I can't answer that for you. Nobody's doing that. All right, so that's why we crushing the game right now. We're doing over $1 million a month, in sales and stuff, and soon to be over $5 to $10 million a month. We're gonna scale this thing to $1 billion company, $1 billion corporation, and more importantly, this is gonna be $1 billion family. All right. So with that being said, tap in. If you don't have the money to get started, go ahead and, refer some people and make, a quick $2,000, $5,000 for you and your family. You know what I'm saying? I'll see you at the top, man. Let's get it. I appreciate y'all. Love y'all. This is Cedric Larry, Mr. Ben on the Mill. Let's fucking get it. Let's get this fucking paper, man. If you guys learned any information from this video, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos talking about Airbnb automation. I love you guys. Peace.